In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Revolve command. Now, what the Revolve command allows us to do, it allows us to create an extrusion, except instead of it going at 90 degrees, it goes along the path of a circle. So it's almost like a circular extrusion. Let's show this. So the first thing you always need for any extrusion, but Revolve specifically here, is a 2D sketch that you're going to extrude. So here I'm going to use a circle, and then we need an axis of rotation. I'm going to draw a line. That's going to be what I'm revolving this around. Now, it can be anything. You can really just click on 2 points in space, and it will work when it asks you for an axis of symmetry. So I'm going to hit revolve. First thing I need to do, let's hover over this for a second to see what it says. Creates a 3D solid or surface by sweeping a 2D or 3D curve around an axis. It actually shows us that the first thing you click on is the curve, and the second thing you click on is the axis of rotation. So the first thing I click on is going to be my circle. Then once I do that, I hit enter. And then I need to select my axis of rotation by defining 2 points. Every line is defined by 2 points. So I click once, and I click twice, and I get my piece. Now, I'm in 2D wireframe, so let me hop into conceptual really quickly. And we can see kind of what this looks like. Let me hit escape and draw it, do it again, but this time we can see it better because it'll be in conceptual. And it shows us this preview. We can click, we can type in a radius, not a radius, an angle of the circle. The circle has 360 degrees, so you can go up to 360. If I type in 360, I get this kind of donut looking thing. And that's the revolve command. Now, let me go back a step, because there's something I didn't mention in the lesson today that actually, if you're watching this before, is going to be a little bit better than what I use. So keep it in mind as we go through. So let's say I wanted to have a thing with a hole in it. I could actually draw 2 circles, and when I revolve, select them both before I hit enter. So select one, then hit the other, then hit enter, then select my axis of rotation. And when it extrudes this, it gives me, it almost looks like there's a hole in there, but it's not. There's 2 objects in here. So since there are 2 objects, I can go ahead and use subtract like we did in today's lesson. And I'll get something with a hole in it. Okay, so that's the revolve command.